Hi guys, finals match for mid 2. Match between Milo and Brett versus Jeremiah and Aaron with the A. Mid 2 finals, Arenola Cup Sunday. Share guys, share the live. Jeremiah and Aaron with the A versus Brett and Milo. Hi Sir Jean, thank you for watching. Sir Jean, baka naman support us by sending star. Thank you for watching sa ating live. Thank you so much guys. Stop and share. Hi Amalia Navarro, thank you for watching. Last match for today's Arenola Cup Sunday finals, mid 2. Brett and Milo versus Jeremiah and Aaron with the A. Shout out kay Amalia, shout out. At least yung Ambi na dumayo dito, hindi sila uwing luhaan. Meron silang finals representative. Shout out sa mga taga-Ambi. Thank you so much for joining sa Arenola natin today. Shout out Ambi players. Shout out po sa ating Ambi players for joining sa Arenola for today. Tap and share guys. Hi Smart Tungol, thank you for watching. Share the live guys. Rafael, see Jeremiah is doing finals. Score please. 10-9. Score is 10-9. Score 10-all. Outside. Share the live guys. Hi George, shout out kay George na hindi naglaro today. Shout out to George. Thank you for watching guys. Hi Doc JP, thank you for watching. Doc JP, finals na po ito ng mid 2 match between Brett and Milo versus Jeremiah and Aaron ng Ambi. Arenola Cup Sunday. Hi Amalia, thank you for watching. Hi Malyari Pilo, thank you for watching. Shout out to you. Mid 2 finals, Arenola Cup Sunday, only here at Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Pa-intense na ang laban guys, may sigalong nagaganap. Shoutout po kay Ian Carr de Jesus of Isao player. Hi Ian Carr, kailan ka maglalaro ulit? Mid 2 finals, Carl Arnold Cup Sunday. Mid 2 finals. Match between Jeremiah and Aaron versus Brett and Milo. 18-13. Oh, that's nakaka-excitement. That's November 2. November 2, Sunday. Lalaro kayo? Welcome. See you. Hi, Rail Stephen Riva Torres. Thank you for watching. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Mid 2 finals, Arinola Cup Sunday, only here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Hi Sir RV, thank you for watching. Mid 2 finals po Sir RV. Arinola Cup Sunday, mid 2 finals. Thank you for watching. Share the live guys. Hi CJ Reyes, thank you for watching. Share the live. Hi, Mark Joshua.
Ano ang score sa?
19-15.
19 serving 15.
Oo. 19 serving 15.
Kunin ko yan.
Ito po si Amber, natalo siya sa mid 1 finals.
Eh di sana, nagano ka na, nag-live ka na sa buong mundo. Oh, natalo po ako, no, 30-31.
Umalis ka dyan.
Bye ko yung Milo.
Sir, huwag mo namang ibigay yung pan...
Si Dila Cruz mo win, wait lang guys ha.
Inside po siya. Ang score, sir?
Highlight.
Bye po. Hindi mo yung ginaliin si Sir Ben. Yun ang yung pagkakataon mo bumawa.
Ano rin po ako, nag-pressure po ako kasi.
First time mo na
Hindi. Siyempre, si Mark Shane po pinag-serve kasi wala mo po akong lapit.
Sorry po. Okay lang, bawi next time.
Bye po.
Bayo, ingat kayo.
Ingat po.
Ano kasing ginawa mo? Ba't ka na nabanyayo doon? Ba't nag-ano yung live kanina?
Wow!
Ang lakas talaga ni Trevor, oh. Go, Trevor! Ay, grabe talaga, oh. Op. Nakita ko sa live yun, sir. Inside. Inside, guys. Inside po. Mahabol na po ang ating rank 1. Perfect po. Ang score, sir? 3-6. 23-26 na po yung score. Mahabol po yung ating rank 1 sa bracket A. Sorry naman, sir.
Nice game po.
Nice game, oh. 7-3. 27-23. Eight four. Outside talaga. Sir Milo, outside talaga. Ganun yung basehan natin, di ba, yung next point? Sure, guys. Pa-star naman dyan. Warning, 25. Wow. Hindi niya kasi sila. Oh, yeah. Oh, 6'9". Hindi niya masabi. Oh, yeah. O siyang aso. Dalawa na lang po. 28-29. Isa na lang po yung nahabol. Adult versus young. Wow! 29 all po. Umabol na po yung matatanda. Oy, red card. Red card. 29 all po, 29 all. Young versus adult. Tapos. 29 all. Para silang tagdadalaw na lang. Wala pong dus, guys. Wala pong dus. Lamang na po yung matatanda. Guys, nanalo po yung matatanda. Oh. Brad, what can you say? Back-to-back champion. Jumbo.
I'm also the partner. You can also interview. You cannot just only.
Yeah.
My partner, Arthur Milo, my coach, Almer, and my family.
Wow. You're the third-time player who is made in history. Back-to-back champion. Yeah. Third, yes.
Yeah, I mean only seasonal. It depends if my partner is great, just like Dr. Ben.
Oh, no.